What's going on YouTube? Brandon Sugar here. I just wanted to make a quick video to confirm that you're going to need new lugs when you put on aftermarket wheels. You can see here's the aftermarket lug. Skinny. Here's the stock one. It's just too thick. So if you're going to put on aftermarket wheels, you'll need aftermarket lugs. So I'm doing right here with the XD wheels. So I just want to show you the jacking spots right there. This is where you want to jack it up. On the pinch, I have an extra support. Painting the calipers red right now. There's the wheel. And I'm going to show you really fast where I jacked up the back. So here's what it looks like. Looks pretty good. The XD wheels on it. So, if I can get down under there. So where I jacked it up was right here on the rear differential, pretty much. Just jack it up right there and then put an extra support. But yeah, right there is where I jacked it up. So that's where you want to do it on both sides. Yeah, just wanted to show you what the XD wheels look like. I think I'm gonna need a bigger tire, but it could be, since it is jacked up, everything's a little bit lifted. Not all 4 tires are on, so we'll see. But yeah, just want to make a quick video on where to jack up the Dodge Nitro, and then how to change the wheel. Pretty much that's the same thing. So you just jack it up there. Your jack stand is located back here, right here. There's a little compartment that you can pop open. So that's where your jack's located. But yeah, hope you found this video helpful. There's the wheels, like I said. This is gonna be a project car that I'm starting to work on right now. You can't really see the wheels that good. But yeah, that's the wheel. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos once I get going on this, and then when I get done, I'll do the final walk around of the entire vehicle. So, this is Brandon Chuga. If you haven't checked out my channel, check it out. I have a Dodge Challenger, Nissan GTR, clearly the Nitro, and I also have a Chevy Silverado that's lifted, and my wife has a Mini Coupe that's gone right now. But these are my parents' cars. They're living with me right now. They're about to get their new house built, so they'll be moving out soon. I'll have all my driveways back. So, yeah, just stay tuned. And again, this is Brandon Chuga. Have a good day.